Welcome back to Jagu Sims. So today we are going to discuss self-practice 1.1b. So question 1. That means whether each of the following graphs of quadratic functions is a smiley face or a sad face. So how to determine the shapes? We need to see the value of a. So from the general equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, we see this value of a. So if the value of a is positive, it is a shape like this. If the value of a is a negative number or less than 0, it is a shape like this. So for question 1a, fx equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. So the value of a is 1. That means it is greater than 0. So it's a positive. So the shape is like this. For question b, function gx is negative x squared plus 2x minus 4. So first we need to find the value of a, which is the number in front of the x squared. So the value of a is negative 1 in this case. It is a negative number, which means that it is smaller than 0. If smaller than 0 is a negative number, so the shape is like this. So let's see question 2. For each graph of quadratic function fx equal to ax squared plus bx plus c below, state the range of value of a. So range of value of a, and state whether the graph has a maximum or minimum point. Okay, so first, range of value of a. So you know a is determine the shape of the graph, right? So for a, the shape is a smiley face. That means your a is a positive number. So the range must be greater than 0. So this is your range of a. A must be greater than 0. So for b, the shape is like this. So the range of a is less than 0, which is a negative number. Okay, so the second part of the question, it has a maximum or minimum point. So this one is a minimum point. That means no other point is below this point. The other points are always larger than this point. So this is the minimum point. So this function has a minimum point. And for this is a maximum. Okay, so let's see. Question 3. Okay, so that means the maximum or minimum point and state the equations. So we need to find the maximum or minimum point first and state the equation of the axis of symmetry. So we need to state the equation of axis of symmetry for each graph of quadratic function below. So first we need to find the point, maximum or minimum point. So this point is the minimum point. So you can write minimum point equal to the coordinate. So remember that coordinate is x, comma, y. So you put the value of x and then you put the value of y. So what is the value of x? You need to refer to the x-axis. So you put a dotted line. So the value of x is 4. So you put value of x is 4. And then the value of y, you go to check the y-axis. And then you put a dotted line here, and then the y is negative 15. So negative 15 is your y. So this coordinate, x is 4, y is negative 15. This is the minimum point. Okay. And then you need to find the equation of axis of symmetry. So remember that axis of symmetry always pass through the minimum or maximum point. So it passes through like this. This will be the axis of symmetry. This is a straight line axis of symmetry. So you can notice that the left side of the graph is same like the right side of the graph. So this axis of symmetry will be like a mirror. So this line, this axis of symmetry, it has a name. It has a name which is called an equation, right? So the equation for this is x equal to 4. You can see that this point x is equal to 4. This point x is equal to 4. This point x is equal to 4. So every point on this line x equal to 4. So this axis of symmetry has a name, and its name is x equal to 4. So the question asks you the equation of the axis of symmetry. The answer is x equal to 4. Okay, so you can try question B first. Okay, so we need to find the maximum point. So this point is a maximum point. So you write maximum point x and y. So your x is 3. Your y is this. So 11, 12, 13, 13.5. Okay, because two small boxes equal to 1. Okay, so 2 boxes equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one 10, 11, 12, 13, and 1 box is 0.5. So 13.5 is the y value. So we get the maximum point is 3 and then 13.5. So the axis of symmetry is this line will pass through this maximum point. And the name of this is x equal to 3. Every point on this line, x is 3. So the equation is x equal 3. Okay, so that's it for the self-practice 1.1b. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.